In today's video, we will see how you can optimize your YouTube video so that it is searchable and it can reach your right audience. This is very important. And to show you everything, let me take you to the computer screen. Come to youtube.com and then sign in. So when you click here, you will be directed to enter your Gmail credential. So once you enter the Gmail credential, you will now come to YouTube account, which looks like this account section. Come to your avatar, and here you see it shows as Gopinomics. This is the channel, and come to YouTube Studio. You have to create section here. You can upload from here, or you can also upload the video from here, whichever is your preference. You can do that. When it comes to YouTube video resolution, this is 16:9, which is your horizontal video. That's the usually long form content. What you see as 9:16 is for vertical based, which you see on mobile. So by default, if you are recording on mobile, it will show up as 9:16 for vertical, and for horizontal, it will come as 16:9. If you are recording the video in vertical, same goes with the camera. In camera, you can check the setting. Now these are recommended resolution. You can see here, and post 2022, they have started removing support for playback at resolution between 4K to 8K. So when you're uploading your content, it should be within this range. In fact, anything between this is decent quality. Details on how you can ensure this, we will see as we proceed with the video. For now, you must know this is the ratio 16:9 and 9:16. Then it should be in one of these formats. So my videos, what I have are all MP4 and I have no issues uploading them. In fact, I'm uploading this video which I'm making. I'm uploading a small portion, what I had recorded earlier, and click here on create, upload videos, select the file. You can also drag and drop if you want. Now it is uploading, which is the YouTube account creation video. So you can see here, it shows processing will be done shortly. Here, once you upload, it's not just about uploading videos. There are details which has to be entered to optimize for it to reach your right audience. And to do that, you can either do it manually, or there are tools which can help you initially to make sure you are moving in the right direction. You have everything what is required. So we will see that first. I use this tool called vidIQ, which is a Google Chrome extension, and you can sign up for free using my referral link, which will be there in the description. This tool helps you with personalized daily idea trending keyword, AI video content generation, and also you have this thumbnail maker option, which is out and free to try once you sign up. Now you see the vidIQ start showing you the score, and here we will go one by one in detail. Right now it shows 46, and we will try to update the title, how to create YouTube account in 2025. Now you see the score has increased to 74, and when I make this account like a pro in 2025, the score here goes up to 93, and this has also increased. You see here green, which means healthy. Now for description, all I am doing is asking ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives the description and relevant tags, which I just fine tune according to what I'm trying to convey to my audience. And along with this description, I will also have relevant links which audience can access, including social link that will be given, where audience has all the information at one place. All I do is copy paste and then ensure that there is a timestamp, and this is how timestamp is entered. This shows chapters and important activity that is happening around this time. This completes the description. Thumbnail, let's come to thumbnail. You can create using Canva as I showed earlier. Just go search for the thumbnail, choose the template, customize and upload. When you're done uploading the thumbnail, for the first time, you'll be asked to verify. You see here, after you verify, you'll be able to gain access to this feature. So you have to verify this with your phone number. Once you click verify, here you will go through the verification. Once this is done, complete the step 2 and submit your phone number. Now it is verified. You will be able to upload the thumbnail. Just refresh it, and you can use free Canva template to make the thumbnail. And once it is ready, download the thumbnail, upload now. You also have other option, which is auto generate and test and compare. Auto generate, YouTube will automatically generate. I would highly recommend you to customize thumbnail. And you also have option to test and compare, where you can add two or more different version of thumbnail and see which one performs better. This is newer feature which YouTube has introduced last year. So make use of this, whichever is best performing, that will be shown to your audience later. And since this is the first video upload, you will not have a playlist. As you keep building video, you will keep uploading videos. You will be able to make playlists depending on what those videos are. Then I'm selecting not made for kids, and there is no age restriction for this video. It is not a paid promotion and no AI altered content. So once this is done, we will come down and you see tag section. vidIQ is giving some recommendation. I will go with those recommendation and also use ChatGPT. I'm copy pasting the tags. So once this is done, this has a limitation of words, 500 words, you can see here. And this was very handy feature few years back, but now YouTube algorithm automatically sees how your video is performing in front of the audience. And also the caption is auto generated with AI coming, and YouTube is able to help you reach the right audience if your content is good. But this is a good practice to have. I personally don't update this part. If you wish to, you can. You see here, allow embedding. So basically, this allows others to embed your videos in their site. So I keep this on. It's an extra traffic coming in case someone likes my video and they want to embed and share this as an information. This helps. If you don't want, you can take this out. Short remixing, you can keep it at default, or you can change to any of these two options. It's up to you. And in this category style, I have selected how to. And then remaining thing, I keep it at default. If you wish to change anything, for example, moderation or comment, you can switch it off. On, I always keep it on, and this shows how many viewers like the video. I keep this as it is, and you see here, checks completed, no issues found. So here, since the video has just started, you will not see monetization section. Once YouTube is monetized, then you will have monetization section, which you will get to see in some time how the entire thing looks like. And things to keep in mind, especially when it comes to issues which can harm your YouTube channel. So next is video element. You can click next, or just come here and click here. With the newer video, this subtitle thing will not be seen. YouTube has to understand the language and other stuff. Once it understands, it will show up by default, the subtitle part, which you can edit and improve upon. So subtitle by default will get added when someone is coming to your video. The subtitle in English will be shown in case you want. You can modify that, because sometimes AI is not 100% accurate. You may want to enhance that part. And if you wish to add any more subtitle in any other language, reach broader audience, you can do this here. I'll show this part separately. End screen, if you go and add, you will see here, this is how end screen looks like. And toward the end, it will show the next video and then the subscribe section for your channel. So you have all these options. You can set anyone from this, whichever you wish to choose. And then once this is done, for example, this is done, you can move around this, and I have left it at best for viewers. Next, when the second, third, fourth videos will get uploaded, it will start showing up those videos. So once this is done, you can adjust here and you see where you want this. Let me take this to the end and then save, add cards. You come here and click on add now. This allows you to add videos. If you have a playlist, you can add that. If you have a channel, you can add that. And link, once you join the YouTube partner program, that is when you have a monetized channel. So basically, you can set this up if you are selecting, for example, a video right now. There are no videos. This is the first video. Let me search, say, this channel, right? I want to link now. Here you move this wherever you want this to come. And at that point during the video, it will show up to the viewer. So when your video is monetized, you can have your reference link to any of the website or any video you are giving. That's how this comes out. Here, for audience to go and check in case they want, they would move to another video. So you have to be very strategic in how you use this. So once this is done, you can put a custom message. This is optional, and this is for someone who is doing promotional video. It might be of help to them. Once this is done, you can save, click next, or you can click here to come to visibility. If your video is not for wider audience, you want to share link only to specific people, like you are making video within your organization and you want to remain that, then people choose private. Unlisted is when you want to be sure before publishing that your video meets all standard what is required and there are no issues with the video. It's a good practice to keep it unlisted, check everything is fine and there are no issues before going and publishing. When you're making the video public, the video goes instantly live. If you are doing it now, it will get published right away. When you set as instant premiere, when you set this as instant premiere, this feature is only available for long form. It doesn't work in short form. This feature is not available. Then you and your audience can watch together, and that's how the instant premiere works. Then you have this option to schedule. Once you start to know the analytics, when your audience is most active, you can use this feature to schedule at the time when this will go public. And this is how everything is done. This is the link with which people will come and watch the video. So YouTube on its own will try to push your content to the right audience, and then it does its testing. It sends to small group. If they like it, then the group size increases, and that's how you see that the view count increases organically. And this is most important, that you must not share your link randomly to any place unless they are your audience, not even to your friends or near ones for subscription, because they will not consume the video and it's going to spoil your algorithm. So right audience will get you right view, right engagement and right subscribers. As we proceed with the video, I'll talk about this in detail. So once everything is done, I'm not going for schedule. Let me go back and make it public, which is instant, and then click publish now. This is the same link what I had shown earlier. You can copy it from here, and if you wish to share with right audience on your social media, which I talked about earlier, you can do that. And be strategic about where you're sharing and to whom you're sharing, because at the end you want engagement on videos and the right audience to come stay on your video. So once this is done, so friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment if you found this video useful. Also, relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Thriving Tester.